Over the past 20 years, the science of DNA has become really popular. The thing about DNA is you can know someone was somewhere without seeing them there. It's the same way with water intrusion. Stay tuned to hear the 3 signs of moisture damage without seeing water. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. Moisture can damage your home without noticeable water presence. In this video, I'll explain how to find the moisture damage without seeing a drop of water. Before we go further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. One of the first signs that you can see that there's been water present, but maybe you don't see the water there now, is efflorescence. This is usually a white stain that's left behind on your block, on your concrete slab, or even on the concrete wall itself. This is present when waters came through or moistures came through and it's left the mineral deposit after it's evaporated. So it's the delayed trail of the water that was there at one point, but maybe isn't present right now. Another sign that you've had the presence of water or moisture in your basement or crawl space is biological growth. Whether that's mold or some other kind of fungus, this only survives on the presence of moisture. Whether that's in humidity or standing water itself feeds that biological growth to allow it to continue to grow and survive. And so it's one of the major signs of high moisture and water present in that area. If you have cracks that are running horizontal in your basement wall, this is usually a sign of hydrostatic pressure, which is the presence of a lot of moisture right on the outside of your foundation. The other sign that you could see with cracks is you could see rust stains or trails leading from those cracks where water has leaked in those cracks, but it has dried up and leaves almost like a rust stain. That's another sign that you've had water intrusion at some point in your home. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about signs of water in your home? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.